In this video, we'll show you how to fix Block Blast Revive button not working. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open Block Blast on your device and go ahead and select the game mode where you want to enter or start a game to. So once you enter on that game mode, you'll be able to play the game, and once you actually don't have enough areas to place a block to, the game will actually ask you if you want to revive your game or not. But the problem in here is that the revive button actually doesn't pop up if you have a low score on the current game that you're playing. So you'll need to hit at least thousands of scores on Block Blast to be able to find that revive button. So let's fast forward this section into the section where the revive button has popped up. So as you can see in here, I only have 5 seconds to click on that revive button. And once I have actually clicked on that, this pop up on my screen. And the solution to this is to actually first check if you're actually connected to an internet connection. So if your Wi-Fi is slow, you can go ahead and change your connection into a mobile data connection. And if that doesn't work out, what you can do is to close the app and reopen it on your device. Now, once you reopen it and play a game, you'll be able to use that revive button on your app. And that is how you can simply fix revive button not working on Block Blast. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.